Claude is working for you while you sleep. I recently went to the US and I was genuinely shocked by what I saw. People there were literally going on vacations, spending time with family, and their work was still getting done in the background without hiring a single human. And that thing making it happen is called Claude. In this one video, I am taking you from absolute zero to the most advanced level. Even if you have never opened Claude before, you will master it by the end. I am covering co-work, scheduled automation, connectors, and a brand new feature called Claude Design that Anthropic launched just 2 days ago. AI is moving so fast right now that if you skip even one section, you will fall behind. So watch this fully, and after this, just go try it. Get out of your comfort zone and start using it today. Alright, so Claude has 3 modes. Chat is for conversation, code is for developers, and co-work is the one that changed everything. It is an agent that lives inside the Claude desktop app, gets access to folders on your computer, and actually does the work for you instead of just telling you how to do it. To install, go to claude.com/download, install the desktop app, log in, and click the co-work tab on the sidebar. That is it. But installing it is the easy part. The real game starts with how you set it up. And this is where 90% of people get it wrong from day one. Level 5. Safe setup. The mistake most people make is giving co-work access to their desktop or documents folder on day one. You are allowing a system to rename, move, and process files inside your main workspace. And once you start running real tasks, small changes begin stacking. So the safer approach is to create one clean folder called Co-work Workspace with 4 sections inside it. Inbox for anything new, outputs for finished work, processed for handled files, and reference for material. Co-work can read but not modify. I learned this the hard way. I once gave co-work access to my main documents folder and 2 files got renamed. Spent 20 minutes fixing something that should have taken 0 time. Setup takes barely 2 minutes. Open Claude desktop, click co-work, select your folder, grant access, done. But even after setting this up properly, most people still feel the output is average. If the setup is correct, what is actually going wrong? Level 4. Prompt like a manager. The issue is not the tool, it is how you talk to it. Most people type something vague like organize my files and expect a clean result. But here you are assigning a task that has to run without you. So instead of vague instructions, you define what the end should look like, where co-work is allowed to work, and what it should avoid touching. For example, instead of organize my files, you say in inbox, find all PDF invoices, extract date and amount, create a spreadsheet in outputs, do not rename original files, and move processed files to process. Now, co-work does not guess, it executes. Before running anything, it shows you a plan. Always check it, because once you move into automation later, small mistakes can repeat faster than you expect. This one shift improves results immediately. But after a few days, you notice a different problem. Every time you start a new task, you explain your tone, your structure, your rules again. That repetition becomes the real bottleneck. Level 3. Projects and skills. So instead of repeating yourself, you create separate projects for different types of work. YouTube scripts, client deliverables, research. Each project acts like its own environment with its own instructions. You tell it to always write in a conversational tone, keep sentences clear, avoid changing file names, start outputs with a one-line summary. These instructions stay attached to that project permanently. Then you store your repeatable processes. If you follow a specific script structure every week, you write it once inside a file. Now when you ask co-work to write from your notes, it already understands your system. You are no longer starting from scratch. You are triggering a system that already knows how the work should be done. Tasks become faster, outputs become consistent, and your effort drops. But one part still depends on you. You still have to sit down and start the task manually. And that is where the real shift happens. Level 2. Schedule tasks. Instead of starting tasks manually, you let them run on their own. Inside any task, type / then schedule, choose the time and frequency, save it, and that task runs automatically in the background. The real question is, what is worth automating? Start with anything that repeats. Instead of checking your calendar, emails, and deadlines separately every Monday, create one task that pulls everything into a single document. So your week is already organized. If you create content regularly, schedule a weekly task that analyzes your performance and generates a summary. Even simple things like organizing your downloads folder or cleaning files at night can be automated once and forgotten. Over time, these small systems remove more effort than you expect. Your work is no longer tied to when you sit down. Your time starts compounding instead of resetting every day. But there is still a limitation. All of this is happening inside your system, your files, your folders. Once CoWork connects beyond your laptop, everything you built here starts multiplying. Level 1, connectors and MCP. This is where everything comes together. Until now, CoWork was working inside your folders, but now it connects to the tools where your real work actually lives. You can link Gmail, Notion, Google Drive, and Calendar directly from the connectors section. Open connectors, choose the tool, sign in once, grant access, and CoWork can now see and use that data inside your task. But the real shift is not just connecting tools, it is how you design the workflow. Instead of thinking in separate steps, you describe the entire flow in one instruction. For example, check unread emails, extract important updates, look at my Notion tasks for this week, and combine everything into one planning document in outputs. CoWork connects those steps automatically. If you are working with research or content, you can extend this using MCP. You connect a tool like a web scraper once, then describe what you want, like find the latest articles on a topic, summarize them, and store the results in a document. CoWork handles the rest without you manually searching or copying anything. Now combine this with scheduled tasks. That same workflow can run automatically at a fixed time, which means your emails get processed, your tasks get organized, and your inputs are ready before you even open your laptop. And once you experience that, you stop looking at work as a list of tasks to complete and start seeing it as systems that run without you. Now, the brand new feature I promised you at the beginning, Claude Design. Anthropic launched this on April 17th, and the moment they announced it, Figma stock dropped 7%. That should tell you how seriously the design world is taking this. So what is it? It is a new mode inside Claude that lets you create presentations, pitch decks, prototypes, mobile app interfaces, carousels, any visual work just by describing what you want. You do not need to know design, you do not need Figma, you just type and Claude builds it. It runs on Opus 4.7, their newest model, which sees images at 3 times the resolution of previous versions. Anthropic says it is specifically built to be more tasteful and creative with professional design work. Here is how it works. Go to claude.ai, click the design icon in the left sidebar, and type something like create a 6-slide pitch deck for an AI content agency targeting Indian D2C brands. Within a minute, you have a full deck with proper colors, fonts, layout, and structure. And the quality genuinely looks like a designer made it. This is not some basic template, but here is the part that connects to everything I just showed you. Claude Design links directly to Claude Code. So once you design something, let us say a mobile app prototype, you click handoff to Claude Code and it actually builds the working app from your design. You go from idea to design to working product without leaving Claude. You can also export anything as a PDF, PowerPoint, standalone HTML, or send it directly to Canva where you can edit every single element. And if you work with a team, you set up a design system during onboarding. Claude reads your code base and design files, and every project after that automatically uses your brand colors, fonts, and components. Set it up once and everything stays consistent. One thing to know, Claude Design has its own separate usage limits. It does not eat into your regular chat or code limits. It is available right now for Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise subscribers. So the picture is now very clear. Claude is no longer just a chatbot. It is chat for thinking, code for building, CoWork for automating, and now design for creating. 4 modes covering almost everything a founder, creator, or professional need. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. I will cover Claude Design in much more depth in a separate video very soon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.